Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is a question from 2.5 of physics, exercise number 2.5. Here it is asked: a parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates has a capacitance of 8 picofarad. What will be the capacitance if the distance between the plates is reduced by half and the space between them is filled with a substance of dielectric constant 6? So here in this question we are going to find out the capacitance of the capacitor, and then we are changing the parameters of the capacitor and again finding out the capacitance. Normally, what is meant by a capacitor? Capacitor means two parallel plates separated by a distance d is called capacitor. So the area of the plates is represented by A. So this space is occupied normally by air. If it is occupied by air, the formula for the capacitance is given by C equal to epsilon A by D. So that is equal to epsilon is epsilon naught into epsilon R into A divided by D, and we know that the relative permittivity of air is equal to 1, and the formula will be epsilon naught A divided by D. So in this case the capacitance of the capacitor is given. The parallel plate capacitor with air between the plates has a capacitance of 8 picofarad. The capacitance is given. So what will be the capacitance if the distance between the plates is reduced by half? So now we are finding the distance of the new capacitance. So that distance is reduced to half compared to that of the previous one. So we can write the formula for the new capacitance as D1, or the distance between the two plates of the capacitance as D1 equal to 1 by 2 into D, that is half of D, and the space between them is filled with the substance of dielectric constant 6. So since it is filled with a dielectric constant 6, the value of epsilon R is equal to 6. Now the formula for the new capacitance C1 will be equal to epsilon A divided by D1. So that is equal to, what is epsilon? That is epsilon naught into epsilon R into A divided by, so what is D1? That has changed as D by 2. So that is equal to, so now what is the value of permittivity or dielectric constant? That is 6 epsilon naught A divided by D by 2, and this 2 goes to the numerator, so it will becomes 12 into epsilon naught A divided by D. And now what is epsilon naught divided by A? That is equal to the first capacitance, so that is equal to 12 times C, you can write, right? Because in this equation number 1 we have epsilon naught A by D is equal to C. So that is equal, what is the value of C? C is equal to 8 picofarad. So what is 8 picofarad? 8 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad, right? So when you are substituting here, you'll get the new capacitance, which is equal to 12 into 8 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. So what is 12 into 8? That is equal to 96 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. So that is equal to C1, which is equal to 96 picofarad, and this is your answer. This is your answer for the new capacitance in which the distance between the plates is reduced to half and it is inserted in between by a new material which is having a dielectric constant of 6. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye.